Yeah, I'm definitely gonna say the right side's blown. This is the left side playing right now. Only the mid. Left side. Right side.
When a good thing goes bad, it's not the end of the world, it's just the end of a world. But you had with one girl, and she's the reason it happened.
Right side.
She's overreacting.
Left
It's
side.
all because she don't want things to change. So cry if you need to, but I can't stay to watch you.
Left side.
That's the wrong thing to do.
Right side.
Touch if you need to, but I can't stay to hold you. That's the wrong thing to do.
Yep, time for some new mids.